In the previous video, you learned that only around 15% of solar energy is converted into electrical energy. But what is electrical energy? Let me explain the concept of voltage, current, power, and energy. Voltage and current can be best understood by comparing charge with water. If water is like charge, do you know what the water level difference is? It is like charge potential difference or volts. If water is like charge, do you know what the flow of water is? It is like current or amperes. If water is like charge, then do you know what pressure of water is? It is like power supplied in watts. If water is like charge, do you know what the volume of water flow is? It is like energy or watt hours. Now that you have understood these basics, in the next video, you will learn the difference between power and energy.